Gabriel. I'm the programs manager at Elimu, and I am very excited about Kolibri. Kolibri is a software that enables us to track the individual performance and impact on a student, and I believe it's a powerful and helpful tool that can assist our community in improving grades for the young learners.
My name is Pauline Ogango. I am the Program Officer for Education. Kolibri is a platform that allows students to access different content.
My name is Maina Gikaria. I'm the head of ICT here at Elimu Resource Centre, also part of EduTech. My role in Kolibri is just to make sure that everything is set, the program is running, and it's getting to the desired client.
That Kolibri, it has helped us a lot because you can use it and it is flexible.
The thing that I like about Kolibri is that it has a lot of content and it's easy to understand.
It has helped us in improving our grammars.
I love Kolibri since it has many contents and its contents are easy to understand. It can multitask.
I love Kolibri because learning using it is simple.
Kolibri has helped me a lot. I love it a lot. The contents are very easy to read and understand, more than the ones in the textbooks.
It's good, it's easy to understand, flexible. I love it. I love Kolibri.
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 Kolibri flies in Kenya.
And with that, we can say Kolibri flies in Kenya.